Did you know that if you put the peels of 2 apples in a large jar with a lid, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and pour in enough water to almost fill it, you can make an incredible homemade apple cider vinegar? After mixing the ingredients well, cover the jar and place it in a dark place, away from direct light. Let the mixture ferment for 20 days. During this time, you will notice bubbles forming, but the fermentation will not be complete yet. So leave it for another 10 days until the process is complete. Then strain the mixture using a clean cloth to remove the peels, which you will no longer need. The resulting vinegar will be ready to use, completely pure and natural. Now you have homemade apple cider vinegar, made with your own hands. It's amazing how something so simple can result in such a delicious and healthy product. You'll love using it in your recipes. Did you already know this technique? If not, surprise everyone with this brilliant idea. Today I'm going to show you an incredible trick to preserve fresh cilantro for at least 30 days. Once you learn this technique, you'll never run out of cilantro at home again. The first step is to remove all the leaves that are slightly black or yellow. This will prevent the cilantro from spoiling quickly, ensuring that it lasts much longer. Then, cut the cilantro stems. As you can see, this preservation method is super easy and effective. I'm sure you'll love the result. After chopping, place the cilantro in a large bowl. Add 2 cups of water and wash well to remove any dirt or impurities. If you've made it this far, it means you're enjoying learning how to disinfect and preserve cilantro in a simple and efficient way. In another bowl, add 1 liter of water and 5 tablespoons of vinegar, mixing well. Add the washed cilantro and let it soak for a few minutes to ensure that it is completely clean. This step is essential to prolong the freshness of the cilantro. Once the cilantro is clean, place it on a clean surface using 2 napkins and let it air dry in a cool place, away from the sun, until it is completely dry. This process takes about an hour. Finally, chop the cilantro or cut it into whatever size you prefer. This trick works with any herb you have at home, helping to keep it fresh for up to 30 days. To store it, place a kitchen towel inside a large jar and add the chopped cilantro little by little. Close the jar with the lid and store in the refrigerator. Now you will always have fresh cilantro on hand. We are full of recipes and tips like this one. I highly recommend that you try it at home, and of course, don't forget to tell us how it turned out. Until the next video, bye.